Oh, the other thing, just before we hand this koha over, tēnei korowai ko Te Aroha o Te Kuia. This korowai, her name is Te Aroha o Te Kuia, is the love of our grandmothers. And the kiwi feathers that we have come from Wainui up the back of the hill. The kiwi lived up the back of the hill, some others from Paimaro, some others from Ngāti Wai. All of these places that Papa Ruru's big sister, my grandmother, Te Aniwa, had connections with, and she was actually the one that told Doc up there, hey, you need to stop burying these birds, you need to give them back to the people to be used for kakahu, to be used and immortalised in these sorts of taonga. So Te Aroha o Te Kuia has come all the way down to wrap Papa up in this big important day where we can celebrate him and we can celebrate everyone behind him as well. Hapa. You ready? You ready? Kapai matatua.
Kapai matatua.
Matatua. Papa's quarter.